Hello friends, hope you're all good. Today we're going to make a boomerang airplane, and for this craft you'll need only a piece of paper. So let's start. So the first step is to fold it into a triangle. So make a point right here and crease it down. There we go. Now we're going to fold the triangle right up there. So do it that and make a point right there. Line up and crease. So now we're going to do a squash fold. So put your middle fingers right there, push it down, and then put your hand there and flatten it out. Now we're just going to fold it like that. Don't fold it all the way into the middle, just fold it like this. Then tuck that piece under into there. And do that for the other side. Then tuck it under. It might fall out as it's happening right here. So now we're just going to fold that edge down to those points right there. So I would pick the highest one right there. So that's the highest one. So I would just fold it on that edge and make it aligned and equal. Now we're just going to fold it in half to the back like that and crease. So we're going to take that edge to that edge, crease it down. The paper might get hard already. Then fold it like that. And check on the inside if it's like that, if it's straight. And if it is, that's perfect. So now we're going to fold the flaps. So fold it up like that, then turn around and do the same thing. There we go. So that's the finished airplane. That's it from the belly. So those are the flaps. That's what's actually going to make it come back. And if you throw it like that, it will come back to you. So we folded these flaps because that's what makes it come back like a boomerang, like that. You have to catch it like a boomerang, obviously. And I got the inspiration of this airplane because of the world record airplane that flies over 200 feet. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.